In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix issues in the accessibility wizard on Wix. Sometimes technical hiccups occur, and they can be particularly frustrating when they hinder your website's accessibility. But don't worry, we'll tackle it together step by step. To begin, let's dive into checking your browser settings. Open up your preferred internet browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other you've been using to access Wix. The settings menu is usually represented by three dots located at the top right corner of your browser window. Clicking there will bring up a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll need to select Settings, or sometimes it might read Preferences, depending on your browser. This will lead you to a new page with a variety of adjustable options. Now let's focus on the storage and privacy settings. Within this settings page, you should search or scroll to find the privacy and security section. This is the area where we can manage your browsing data. Here, you should see an option labeled Clear Browsing Data, or something similar, depending on the terminology your browser uses. Let's discuss why this is important. Sometimes residual files like cache and cookies can cause interference with website functionalities, including the accessibility wizard on Wix. Cache is essentially stored versions of web pages, and cookies track your browsing habits to improve your experience. But when these files pile up or become outdated, they can lead to glitches, which is why it's beneficial to clear them periodically. So once you've located the Clear Browsing Data option, go ahead and click on it. A window or prompt will typically pop up, giving you choices about what data you'd like to clear. Most browsers let you select between clearing just the last hour's data, the past days, or all of it. For a problem like this, clearing the cache and cookies will be more effective if you choose all time. Make sure to uncheck any boxes if you do not wish to clear specific data. Once you're ready, initiate the clearing process. This may take a few seconds or more, depending on how much data is stored. With the cache and cookies cleared, it's time to see if this has resolved those pesky issues with the accessibility wizard. Head back to your Wix site and check to see if the wizard is functioning properly now. If it is, fantastic! You've efficiently resolved the issue, and your site's accessibility should be back on track. If problems persist, however, you might need further assistance from Wix support, or consider checking for browser updates, as outdated software can also be a culprit. And there you have it. Fixing potential access barriers can make a world of difference for users navigating your site, and these steps should have you back to smooth sailing. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore other ways to optimize your site's accessibility in our other videos.